We have a sponsorship product for showcasing, and this video is going to be the 70mm 4K dash cam, and this thing's pretty cool. I want to show you guys what this thing's capable of, and it'll also be really cool because not only A, do you get a bunch of protection while you're driving around in traffic, B, I'll be able to get some awesome footage of the drift car while we're driving it around. Whenever you get it, you get the box, and it's a pretty solid design, good packing, and let's go ahead and open it up. Nothing to it but to do it. Ooh, there it is. Looks like we might have instructions in here. Oh, okay. So there's actually an SD card that comes with it. That's kind of cool. Typically the units don't come with SD cards. It came with a 512 gigabyte micro SD card? What? Okay, that's cool. That's pretty fresh. I don't know if that's an option. Definitely check out on the options there to see if that's something that comes with all of the cameras or if that's one that just got sent with mine specifically. But either way, this camera has a bunch of different options. It looks like they prepared a lot of different things as well as some 3M double-sided tape and your manual for everything. All of your adhesives, your stickies, and your screen protectors, as well as a 512 gigabyte memory card are all inside of the first box. And then we get into the fun stuff. Here is the camera itself. Pull the dash cam out. So inside the box, you get the T800 front camera. Ooh, look at that unit. The 70mm dash cam. It's got a really big screen. It's got a contour for your windshield, so it'll sit like so. So that's the primary camera. And then you pull out the secondary camera. This will be the camera facing rearward. So you get a rear shot of whatever the car is doing whenever you're in traffic. Say someone rear ends you or something of the sort, you'll be able to get a rear shot of what happened and have that on record as well. And then in the other box, we have the wiring kit. So the harness to put everything together, the harness to run the cameras to the back of the car, micro C connector, and micro C to micro C extender. And then here's the mount for the windshield itself that the camera just probably clicks to. Yep. The camera just clicks right to it. So it seems as if it's going to be a fairly simple install. There's not much to it. There's the two cameras that you've got right here with 3 lenses. You have one pointing towards you in the cabin, as well as one pointing straight, as well as the one in the rear. And all of these are 4K cameras. And they also supplied hardwire kits as well. One is a 4G hardwire kit, so you can put a SIM card inside of this and have a mobile connection so you can always connect to it. And you'll have live updates. Say someone is breaking into your car, it'll get a notification on your phone. So it's actually pretty cool to have this hardwire kit, as well as just a regular hardwire kit that just records all of the footage that the camera takes in the car. So we'll be able to explore with these two different hardwire kits, and they sent both of them. So check their website and look at the different options that they supply and get the best one that suits your needs for your vehicle. So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and throw this thing into the car. I want to see what this dash cam's capable of, and let's do it. Introducing the T800 Ultimate Dashcam, capturing every video for rear-end collisions, theft prevention, proof for accidents, rideshare safety, family peace of mind, drive smarter, drive protected. So when you pull the dash camera out of the box, this is what you'll get. And I also threw the sticky tape piece on here as well. And you have to throw it onto your windshield. And I'm gonna probably stick it right here, right where the lens is, right underneath this black stuff right here. And then what you do is you take the main power wire and you can connect this to a USB port with the provided 12-volt adapter in your car, or you can use the hardwire kit that they have, and then you attach this to 12-volt ground and then ignition power. So either way you want to go about it, there's multiple ways to mount it. This one is going to be a plug-in, and then this one is hardwire, so it will always be on with the battery, and the camera will turn on and know it's on whenever the car is on as well. So here's the camera in its place right here, and everything looks good enough for me, so I'm going to go ahead and peel the tape off of it. There she goes, and let's route the wires. So here's where my camera is, and I'm putting it off to the side so that way I can get a direct view of my face whenever I'm driving the car. And if you can see, the rear-facing camera points right at me. And then we've also got the rear camera in place as well, and I've got the wire hanging right there. Typically there's a headliner that'll be in place. You can just tuck that up under your headliner using the tool that they provide you. But in my situation, I just hang the wire there right now, and I'll put that out of the way here shortly. But that's what it's going to look like for now. And it's all hardwired into right here. And it's asking me to put the memory card in, so I guess it's time to go ahead and do that. I'm still flabbergasted at the fact that they provided a 512 gigabyte micro SD card with this thing, with the high-speed read as well. That's pretty cool. All right, guys, and what we're going to do is throw the card inside of the camera, click it into place, and there we go.
Please format the memory card.
Format the memory card for the first time. And we should be good to go with cameras pointing at us. And now we've got the cameras right here and we can cycle through them. There's the rear camera. There's the me camera, which has a view of me, which is really cool actually. And it's a very good view of me as well. Dang, I like the me camera. The me camera's cool. Go to the front camera and then you'll be able to see a front view of what's going on in the car at any given time. That's really cool. Dang, I love that. This is the world's first ever 3-channel dash cam with 4K front and rear recording, delivering all-around protection and clarity from every angle. It's pretty interesting. It's actually a pretty nice unit. And you can adjust the level of your cameras right here, as well as the front camera. You can adjust that down and up to your liking as well, so that way you can have the proper angle of what you've got going on. Heck yeah, I love that. So not only does the dash cam have all of the functions that you would want out of a regular dash cam, it is crystal clear and shows things very good, so I can use this as a camera for even filming for my YouTube videos. I'll be able to use this for while I'm drifting the car around on top of extra things, but that can help you out as a consumer because your footage will be crystal clear. Say an accident happens, you'll be able to have crystal clear footage on what's going on, thanks to the 70mm Sony Starvis sensors and these cameras being 4K. So the footage looks amazing, and as you can see, the colors pop and shine even on a day that's not amazing. They also have an app that you can connect to, and it will be able to connect to your phone at any given time. If you get the 4G hardwire kit, then you'll be able to connect to your phone at any time and be able to see where your car is at, what your battery voltage is, all from home. So you can protect against pesky things like people who might be looking around, looking at your car whenever you're not looking. You can get sent a notification directly to your phone that tells you, almost like it was Sentry mode like a Tesla. I like this a lot. Not many other dash cameras offer this specific option, and I think it's pretty cool that you can get a notification to your phone if someone is doing anything or tampering with your vehicle. It's a pretty cool peace of mind to have, just knowing that A, you have the dash camera just in case someone tries to mess with you, or B, scam you, since that is kind of more a common thing nowadays. People try and do insurance scams, so this tells anybody legally what exactly happened because you have 3 really crystal clear angles of what actually happened. So it can protect yourself a lot more than you reckon, and the small investment that you make for a dash camera can save you way more than you ever would imagine. That's one reason why I run them on all of my vehicles. On top of, I recommend them to everyone else. Keep that in mind whenever shopping for a dash cam, and also remember that they're going to be running their discount price for a short amount of time, so go ahead and get it while it lasts, and then use the code in the description to get yours at a cheaper price. And that does include the 512GB SD card. Those are included with the cameras, I double checked. So there were a few more things that I wanted to point out with this camera that it actually has, that it does more than just doing dash camera stuff. It's actually not only just a tracker, it's got a built-in battery voltage monitor. So you can figure out what your battery voltage of your car is, not only while you're sitting in the car, you can also figure it out while you're eating lunch. You can look on your app and figure out what the voltage of your car is. And it has safe battery modes that can actually turn the camera off if it detects that your car's battery is going low. So it will never leave your car dead on the road, and it will always be there ready to go. So it's really cool technology. It's one of the more high-tech dash cams. It's one of the more high-tech ones that I've seen, and it's really cool that they put this much technology into a simple dash camera. The camera also has a built-in emergency recording feature, which basically turns your camera into a, if anything happens, you have that moment on record button. And it's kind of nice to have. Say you get pulled over and you just want to have it completely on camera and not have to worry about any issues, that will be covered, and it's always recording. There's no way you can just unplug it if it's hardwired either. So it's nice. If you ever get unlucky enough to get someone to try and break into your car or rob you, then you also have video proof of the person's face. And it gets sent directly to your phone, so even if they do decide to unplug your car's battery or even the camera, you'll still have their face on record and what they look like while they're getting into your car on your phone. So it's a step ahead of the game, and it's something that all cars should have at this point. Tesla's been implementing it. I've hammered on that a few times. I'll keep saying it again, guys, because the world is kind of getting crazy at this point, and you need to be able to defend your vehicle and your house, and we need to add technology to our vehicles. If you've got an old car, it's all running on 12 volts. It'll all run on these dash cameras, guys, and it's always worth it. Always worth it. The biggest thing that I notice is whenever people get into wrecks or have bad things happen, they usually wish that they had a dash cam instead, and they end up buying one after the fact. So don't put yourself in that position. Go ahead, be proactive, and get yourself a 70mm dash camera that's got all this technology put into it that you can actually use nowadays, because it's 2025. We've got it. Heck, this thing's even got a battery supercapacitor in it, so it can handle temperatures as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's going to be able to handle the temperatures inside of our cars. So with that being said, guys, their Kickstarter is launching right now. So if you look in the description right now, there will be a link, and there'll be cheaper prices for you to get this thing and a discount that you can get it with my link. So Go ahead and get you a dash cam. Thank you very much to 70my for sponsoring this video and paying my bills for another month. We appreciate y'all more than you know. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great one. Remember to send it.